The Drug Quality and Security Act, or DQSA, is an important piece of legislation here in the U.S. It was signed into law on November 27, 2013, enacted to enhance the security and quality of the pharmaceutical supply chain, ensuring the safe distribution of drugs to patients while addressing concerns related to drug compounding. The DQSA was a response to a series of events highlighting the vulnerabilities and risks within the pharmaceutical industry. One notable event was the outbreak of fungal meningitis in 2012, which was traced back to contaminated compounded drugs. This incident raised concerns about the regulation of compounding pharmacies and the need for stronger oversight. The DQSA consists of two main titles. The first one, Title I, the Compounding Quality Act, or CQA, and Title II, the Drug Supply Chain Security Act, DSCSA. Now, with Title I, the CQA provides a framework for the regulation of compounding pharmacies. It establishes a clear distinction between traditional compounding, which is a customized medication for an individual patient, and large-scale compounding, which involves mass production without individual prescriptions. Under the CQSA, compounding pharmacies can register with the FDA as outsourcing facilities, and these facilities must comply with certain quality standards, including CGMP, current good manufacturing practices, and also reporting of adverse events. They are also subject to periodic investigation or inspections by the FDA to ensure compliance. Now, Title II, the Drug Supply Chain Security Act, or DSCSA, focuses on securing the pharmaceutical supply chain and ensuring the authenticity and traceability of drugs. It establishes a system for tracking and tracing prescription drugs that move through the supply chain from the manufacturer to the dispenser. The DSCSA requires pharmaceutical manufacturers, wholesalers, repackagers, and dispensers to implement systems and processes to trace the ownership and distribution history of each drug product. It also mandates the use of unique product identifiers such as serial numbers or barcodes to facilitate the tracking and tracing. The DSCSA implementation is carried out in several phases with different requirements for each stakeholder. But by November 2023, the goal is for the entire pharmaceutical supply chain to be able to trace and verify the authenticity of drugs down to the package level. The Drug Quality and Security Act has had significant impact on the pharmaceutical industry since its enactment. It has improved the oversight of compounding pharmacies, ensuring that they meet quality standards and operate in a safe manner. It has also strengthened the security of the drug supply chain, reducing the risks of counterfeit, adulterated, or stolen drugs entering the market. To summarize, the Drug Quality and Security Act, DQSA, is a comprehensive piece of legislation here in the U.S. that addresses the regulation of compounding pharmacies and the security of the pharmaceutical supply chain. It enhances patient safety by establishing quality standards for compounding and implementing a track and trace system to ensure the authenticity of drugs. The DQSA represents a significant step towards improving drug safety and maintaining the integrity of the pharmaceutical supply chain here in the United States. Until next time.